It is probably the most important thing we can give people. Safety. Wherever people live, wherever people work. With Industry 4.0, work conditions are changing at great speed. And so are the requirements on operational safety. Autonomous systems, machines that communicate with each other, that can supply their data systematically, and work closely with humans, require new, flexible safety solutions. Solutions that are as intelligent as your environment, that communicate with us and within a system. safetyIQ from SICK exists for exactly these reasons. Smart products, smart system solutions, and smart services that enable highly flexible production processes up to batch size 1 and increase productivity. But never lose focus. Protecting people. Like our solution for human-robot collaboration. The robot intelligently adapts its protective field widths and speeds to the work environment and does not switch off unless a person is endangered. Without unnecessary stops, productivity rises. This also applies to automated guided vehicle systems, whether big or small. They do not stop unless employees are endangered. With safety solutions from SICK, you create work environments that you can trust. Safety laser scanners from SICK make it possible to create intelligent, self-teaching navigation systems with high precision for anticipatory driving. Safe motion control functions prevent accidents and unnecessary stops. With near-field communication, problems are diagnosed quickly and automatically. SICK was the first to integrate this technology into safety light curtains. Thanks to a smart interface, data is transmitted from the sensor without making contact. This creates transparency. Complete transparency requires good information flow. Intelligent sensors from SICK reliably deliver data for production control and analytics. Operators and management have a complete overview of the system, everywhere and at all times. If you can see everything, you can react quickly. This optimizes processes and builds trust. With our smart service and customized software, you receive a status overview of your machinery at the press of a button. Ideal for production planning, optimization, and legal certainty. Decades of practical experience and comprehensive industry knowledge have made us a market leader and a valued and reliable partner. In more than 80 countries, our experts for machine safety are there to support and assist you. With appropriate training and modern learning methods, we can also qualify you to be an expert on machine safety, intuitively in your specific system environment. Because it's your processes that count, your ideas that shape the future. We can help you. SICK safetyIQ for the new dimensions of safety.